So NetBeans is an example of an integrated development environment, or an IDE, which includes a compiler and a text editor and many other features. Okay, so the first thing you will need to do is create a Java project. So click on this icon and create a new Java application. And you can give it a name. I'm going to call it Chapter 2. And there is this option to create a main class. In this case, the name of the main class will be Chapter 2. You can change this. For example, I'm going to change this to my first class. And then finish. Okay, so now NetBeans have created automatically this file for me. You don't have to worry about what all of this means. The main thing for you right now is to understand that every Java program needs to have at least one class and a main method, okay? The main method is where you will put all of your code for now. This is the text editor where you can write your code, and NetBeans automatically compiles any code that you write. So you don't have to press a button to compile your code. I'm going to write one statement here. What I wrote here is a print statement in Java. This is something that you will use often, so you have to basically know it by heart. System.out is what we call standard output. Later in the course, you will learn how to output to a file, but for now, we will just keep using the standard output. And print line is a method that we can use to print a line in the output stream. So when you run this code, so this button, this icon here, you can press on it to run the code. And you got your output here in this window. So this is where you will get your standard output. This is an example of a Java statement. The first rule that you need to learn here is that every Java statement have to be terminated by a semicolon. If I forgot to add the semicolon here, now I got this squiggly red line, which tells me that there is an error in my code. As I told you, NetBeans automatically compiles the code, and the compiler can tell when there is a mistake. And if you hover the mouse over this red thing here, you will get the type of error that you have. It says a semicolon is expected.